Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this double D universal 12.8-inch IPS touchscreen, very high resolution, 1920 and 1080 resolution. It's run Android 8.1 Oreo system. Okay, let me introduce it. You can check this UI interface. It is built in the car body balance system. You can check this balance system. Okay. You can check. It adjusts the brightness, mute, and volume control. You also can control this position. It's radio. It's RDS. Support RDS, okay. Search, you can click search radio stations. Okay, this is radio, and let me show the settings. You can check this GPS monitor. You can set the date and time. This language you can set it. It's an amplifier. It supports bass and subwoofer. You can adjust the subwoofer. Okay, it's dim and brightness. You also can adjust it. And this user setting, it's parking sound. You can check. It's split screen. It can support parking sound, and touch tone. You can on or off. And you can change the temp unit set, and the brake, you can turn on the brake down. Okay. This system information you can check run Android 8.0, 8.1 Oreo system. It's for steering wheel control buttons you can set in here. Okay. And the radio you can choose Europe or other. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Already connect Wi-Fi, show it. And let me check the system. About tablet, you can check this model is Rockchip PX6. Android version is 8.1. Oreo system. Okay, let me introduce music. There are two USB on back head unit. This is USB driver. Connected. It shows the internal. You also can choose the USB. It's USB play music. You also can choose a SD card or internal. This is internal. This is USB. Okay. This amplifier is self bass, rack, and it supports subwoofer. This load, and I can adjust music. Okay, let me play movie. You can check. You can check this PRP, this function. Car balance system. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. You can check Bluetooth pin code. Let me open my phone. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. And click search. It will search the Galaxy S8. Please choose it and try connect. It show connecting. Your phone will get the command. Please click connected to vocal and media audio. Okay, it's connected. You can. It show Bluetooth icon connected. You can make phone call very fast connection. You can make free phone call. Hang up. And you can stream music from your phone. Show the information. Volume control from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth from your phone. You can play video from YouTube. Okay, now we put our website belsee.com. .com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, it shows our website. It's like the tablet. You can check this model is this one. Okay, this is our website. Back the home. It's built in Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. This maps. Our location, you can check this location from us. And let me check. You can touch control. You can search. Let me search London. Okay, it will show the London city. Very fast response. Okay. This maps, this lips, and you can find the all apps in app list. Okay, you can back the home, and it shows a split model. We try again. It can, when you run navigation, and it can support split models. When you run in Google Navigation and listening music at the same time. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Let me show. This can be adjusted any view. It can adjust any view. Okay, you can check it will show this. You hung up. Adjust any view. You can check. It shows a picture. Okay, that's all. Thank you.